Hey, Kingdom family, it's Jahpearl, and today I want to speak to those who have been feeling locked out, denied, or disqualified. The Lord is releasing keys, and the sound of access is ringing in the Spirit. In Revelation 3:7-8, Jesus says, "What he opens, no one can shut, and what he shuts, no one can open." This isn't just about physical doors, it's about divine opportunity, timing, and positioning. The sound of keys represents authority. When a prison guard turns a key, a cell opens. When a king gives keys to a servant, it means entrusted access. Spiritually, you've been given the keys of the kingdom. Matthew 16:19. No more begging to be let in. You have kingdom clearance, doors of opportunity, rooms of restoration, vaults of provision. You're unlocking paths for others. I hear the sound of keys turning. Heaven is giving you access to platforms you didn't qualify for, rooms where decisions are made, and peace that money can't buy. Access granted. What was locked is now responding to your voice. What was closed is now bowing to divine permission. You carry the key. Use it. Drop a key symbol in the comments if you feel this word, and say it with me. Access granted. Be sure to subscribe and follow every release in this prophetic journey. Your door is already opening.